Ukraine's currency carries the identity of a nation that has fought to protect its independence. The Ukrainian Hryvnia is more than money. It is a powerful symbol of history, resilience, and national pride. But few people know what happens before each note enters circulation. Behind secure doors, advanced technology transforms raw materials into protected currency. Every detail is engineered against fraud. But how? Watch until the end to uncover the complete journey behind Ukraine's most valuable banknote.
Viscosity levels are stable.
Looks good. We can approve the mixture for formation.
The registration looks perfect on screen 3.
Agreed. The watermark definition is flawless. Approved for full production run.
This section passed the thread verification, but the laser measurement shows a slight thickness variation.
It's within acceptable parameters, but worth monitoring. The diameter is within tolerance. Ready for automated transfer.
Confirmed. System looks good across the board. This watermark isn't centered within the tolerance. Reject this sheet and check the previous 5.
The micro-engraving on the portrait must be absolutely precise. See this line here.
Yes, adjusting the vector now for clarity.
How does the cyan compare to the reference? It's within tolerance, but the saturation is slightly low on the third reading.
The viscosity stabilized right at the target.
Yes, the data confirms it. This batch is approved for production. The optical density and color registration are stable across the sheet. Based on the scan data, this batch meets all regulatory standards. Approved for finishing.
The numbering units are rotating precisely. Sequence data confirms alignment.
Excellent. Maintain current speed. This quadrant shows a slight variance in the metallic thread alignment.
It's within tolerance, but we should monitor the next batch closely.
The comparison data confirms the laser calibration is stable across the entire sheet.
Excellent. The variance is negligible.
The rejection rate on sensor array 3 has decreased since the last calibration.
That aligns with the improved quality metrics we saw earlier.
Scanning batch Gamma 9. Confirmed.
Inventory check matches manifest. Seal the containers for transfer.
Container secured. Funds verified and sealed. Awaiting pickup. This sample shows the improved optical spark feature. Yes, the color shift is much cleaner now.
How does it compare to the reference documents?
The watermark registration is precise on this sample.
Agreed. The spectral analysis of the thread confirms the level 3 features are intact.